Sure what's in here. I think it's panini. Oh, this is my Topps Chrome Football, which is a very high price for a non-licensed product. But there's one autograph card in there. We should open it up and see what we got. Yeah, sure, let's do it. I never get anything in these big value, these big expensive boxes. I mean, I get one autograph, but it'll be some kicker or something. Let's see. Oh, these are blue sapphire. At least they look nice. Oh, Michael Irving. Oh, look at that. It's a cowboy. That's a nice looking card, at least. I mean, if it only had the daggone logos. Oh, there's my autograph. Yep, see? Malik Washington. Yeah. That's a rookie. It's somebody I've never heard of, really. He plays for the Dolphins. All right, so there's my autograph. We can look at the rest of them. Any white, Jesus. So we had to go get some old guys put in here. Well, at least I didn't get an old guy autograph. Adrian Peterson? Jeez, oh man. Back in the day, who's this? Santana Moss. Wow. Old. It's a nice looking card, though. Michael Vick. Tony Hill. So if I don't even get if I don't get one of the big rookies, then it's probably a box is worthless. Hey, here's Brian Westbrook. This is why I probably usually stick with Topps now, but I bought into Bowman next, so I mean 580. Oh, Billy Sims. Wow. I bought into 582 Montgomery, so I got one box of this without having to jump through hoops. So now we got a purple one coming up. Well, that's a rookie. Roman Wilson for Pittsburgh. That's a nice looking card. Well, didn't get any Redskins, dude, so as an Eagles fan, I didn't really want one, but still not that big of a big hits in there. Probably nothing worth the money.